This is Emily,
and Intisar,
bringing you your morning announcements.
On WDMS News.
Today is Thursday, November 8th, B-Day. Please stand for the pledge and the Dundalk Middle School Code of Conduct. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I'm safe, I'm respectful, I'm responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community. Please be seated. Now let's find out what happened on this date in history.
Here's a look at this day in history. November 8th.
In 1892, former President Grover Cleveland won the job again, the only president to serve non-consecutive terms in office. On this day in 1971, the rock group Led Zeppelin released the album featuring Stairway to Heaven. In 1994, the Republicans won control of the House and Senate for the first time in some 40 years. And on this day in 1895, Wilhelm Röntgen accidentally discovered the X-ray. The German physicist was tinkering with electron beams passing through a glass vacuum tube when he saw the outline of his bones. He called his discovery an X-ray, and it won him the Nobel Prize. And that's this day in history.
Today's math problem is, I have two pairs of parallel sides of different lengths. What shape am I? Be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it. And now here's Emily with our word of the day.
Today's word of the day is wholesome. He always eats wholesome foods, so he is in great shape. And again, today's word of the day is wholesome.
Student Council will be collecting canned goods for the Maryland Food Bank until this Friday, well, tomorrow, November 9th. Bring in your cans to homeroom class. The homeroom class with the most canned goods will receive the pizza party.
Attention 8th grade girls. If you are interested in playing basketball, the information meetings are today, November 8th, from 2:50 to 3:45 in activities rooms 1 and 2. Please plan to attend the meetings today after school. Parents are encouraged to attend, and please see Ms. Nugent for further details.
Any boys wishing to try out for the basketball team next week must get their forms turned in as soon as possible. If you are having difficulty getting a physical scheduled, call Dundalk Elementary and make an appointment with their wellness center. The phone number is 410-887-4130. And again, the number is 410-887-4130. See Mr. Simonazzi if you have any questions. Now let's get a check on the weather from Rhiannon.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Rhiannon Turner bringing you your week of weather. Today we'll have mostly cloudy skies with a high of 50 degrees and a low of 36. Tonight we'll hit our low, but our skies will stay cloudy, so no rain for now. So remember to button up and stay warm, Dundalk Middle School. Here's your weather for the rest of the week, and then back to you, ladies.
Now for some words of wisdom.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Intisar Muhammad with a few words of wisdom. Ben Franklin tells us that patience is a virtue. When you're a young person, it's hard to be patient, especially in a world filled with computers and remote controls and fast food. It's easy to get spoiled, to expect quick results, immediate gratification. When you're a young person, but some things just take time, like mastering a violin or becoming a champion swimmer, or realizing a dream. Epictetus, a Greek philosopher, says, "No great thing is created suddenly." So here's my bulletin. If you're trying to create something good and wonderful in your life, set goals, work hard, and then be patient. With something to think about, this is Intisar Muhammad. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours.
And here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, Dundalk Middle School. I want to remind all students that tomorrow we will be having our Makeup Picture Day. Again, tomorrow we will be having our Makeup Picture Day. The schedule will be as followed. Grade 6 makeups will occur during Mod 1, Grade 7 during Mod 2, and Grade 8 will have their retakes in the activity room during Mod 3. Again, so all students, if you are planning on having a retake of your pictures, we're having a makeup session tomorrow. Want to remind all students that next week is American Education Week, and it's an opportunity for parents, grandparents, guardians, and family members to come out and see all the wonderful things that you are doing on a regular basis at Dundalk Middle School. I hope to see many parents, grandparents, and family members come out and support you students at Dundalk Middle School and see the great instruction that is going on here. I want to remind students and staff that today we will be having a fire drill. The expectations for a fire drill are that students exit the building quietly in an orderly fashion. We've done a great job with that. We also need to make sure students, as we return into the building, that we remain calm, quiet, and we take this very seriously as if it was a fire. So again, expectations are we leave the building quietly, we come back in quietly, we listen for directions, and I know you will, I'm confident that you will do an outstanding job today in your efforts during our fire drill and simulation and take it very seriously. Also, as we begin our second quarter, I want all students to take this time to set goals for the entire quarter. Again, first quarter is closed and we begin this week with the second quarter. This is an opportunity to reflect on your progress from the first quarter and set new goals for the second quarter. Every student in this building has the opportunity and potential to earn honor roll status. I'm hopeful that at the end of the month we will have a packed cafeteria for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade for not only students but parents who come out and represent Dundalk Middle School during an excellent time to celebrate success. So again, please make sure, students, you use this time for the second quarter to set high expectations for yourself, because I certainly know our teachers set high expectations for you and earn honor roll status. It's a great opportunity to showcase your skills that you're learning at Dundalk Middle School. And remember, we want to make sure you are coming to school every day with a positive attitude and being ready to apply yourself, and we will make sure we do whatever it takes to ensure that you are successful in school and in life. Thank you. Now back to Intisar and Emily.
This is Intisar
And Emily, reminding you to stay classy, Dundalk Middle School.